Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the power through for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, I will put this one go to the left. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. First, the derivative of u squared, we have 2u. This one, that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one, we have 2023, and then we have ln 2023 with 2023 to the power of 2023x. So when we do first the derivative of this one, we need to keep the same. This one, later that the base, that is about 2023, so we put this one gone here. Next, we need to do first the derivative of 2023x, so we got this one, and I will put about the x. Next, we divide both sides by this one. Next, this one equals to this one, so we put this one to change for this one. Next, we divide both sides by this one. Now we go back in here. So the square root we change by u. The x we change by this one. So u and u, we have u square. So number 2 and 2023, ln 2023, we put outside. Next, this one we need to add about 2023 minus 2023. Next, this one divide by this one, so we have number 1. Next, we need to find this integration. So we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root 2023 tan t, because if I put this one gone here. We have 2023 tan t square, 2023, 2023. We can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change secant of t squared, and later that we simplify by du. Du we have the square root of 2023 secant of t square dt. So I will put this one gone here. Du we change by this one. So this one we have 2023 tan t square. So 2023, 2023, we can do about factorization. So this one we change by secant of t square. Next, we need to simplify secant of t square on numerator and denominator. So the integration of dt, we have t and I will put about c. Now we go back in here. So we have t. So we divide both sides by the square root of 2023. And now we got about t equal to arctan of this one. So we put this one to change for t. Now we go back in here. The integration of number 1, we have u. The integration of this one in here, that is about this one. Now we need to simplify 2023. About u, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.